Hello students of class 7th. Welcome back towards the word power section for chapter 4, the voice of a conscience. Okay, now we are heading towards the word power section. So what we are going to study in word power today is alliteration. What is the meaning of alliteration? Alliteration is the repetition of the sounds in a sentence. Okay, so let's see first from our book. Alliteration is just about the sound of words when we are repeating the sounds. Just as he sells seashells at the seashore or on the seashore. Pied Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. जब हम वो जो क्या बोलते हैं हम उन्हें what we call them tongue twisters. जब हम tongue twisters की बात करते हैं तो वो सब क्या होता है alliteration. एक ही साउंड को बार बार रिपीट किया जाता है या जो एक सेंटेंस के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो सब एक ही साउंड से बिगिन होते हैं. लेट्स सी from our book. Let's read these sentences. Please put away your pens and practice the piano. Come and clean the chaos in your closet. Shut the shutters before the banging sound makes you shudder. अब क्या देखा हमने? What we are able to see here is you can see here that all the words in the first sentence they are beginning with P. Please P, put P, paints P, practice P, piano P. Next line, next sentence, come see, come k sound, clean k sound, chaos k sound, and then close it k sound. Shut sh sound, shutter sh sound before the sorry then again sounds then shudder. So sh and sa are in common sounds there. Okay, now again when we see, did you notice that each sentence has words starting with the same sound which have been used repeatedly. This style of writing is called alliteration. तो जब एक ही साउंड के वर्ड्स ज़्यादा आते हैं एक सेंटेंस में तो वो क्या कहलाता है alliteration. It is important to note that alliteration is about the sound of words and not the letters. Next sentence, their friendship was founded on a common outlook that a deep trust in each other. Friendship and founded. At times the aunt protested against the maltreatment but could do little to make the young lady mend her manners. Maltreatment make mend manners. The more trips he made, the more he earned. In his greed to make more, he made the bullock slog harder and harder. More made, more make, more made. Again, okay. So alliteration last again. Remember, alliteration is multiple words in the same sentence that start with the same sound. हमें वर्ड को नहीं देखना, हमें किसको देखना है, साउंड को. When it becomes difficult to read a similar sentence rapidly because of the repetition of similar sound words, it is called a tongue twisters. Alliteration can become fun when they become a tongue twister. She sells seashells on the seashore. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Okay, तो ये सब क्या है alliteration. एक बार हम फिर repeat करते हैं. Alliteration means when we are having the repeated sound words. जब एक ही sound के words बार बार repeat होते हैं एक sentence में तो वो क्या कहलाता है alliteration. Now moving towards the exercise of alliteration. Let's try 5. It is fill in the blanks. We have to pay the attention on the words first. In a dash dash and dash dungeon. अब dungeon किससे start हो रहा है, D से. तो almost all the words which will come in this sentence they will also begin with G. D. तो D के words कौन से? Dark, dreary and dreadful. Same it will come here. In a dark, dreary and dreadful dungeon lived dash dash and dash ghost G. तो जो वर्ड्स आएंगे वो किससे होंगे, घोष से. देन अगेन इट विल कम लिव्ड घासली ग्रिम एंड ग्रूसम घोष. अगेन spiders s scary spiders scurryingly sorry scary spiders scurrying silently sent the shivers, and the midnight moon had a melancholic smile. they all are coming in the sequence as it is mentioned there. Next part, turning the page. Dash, day, a dash day has dash, d. तो d के वर्ड्स कौन कौन से हैं यहाँ पर? डोंट एंड डिलाइटफुल. तो क्या होगा? अ डिलाइटफुल डे हैज डॉन्ट द डैश सनशाइन. एस, तो द सिमरिंग सनशाइन spreads its light across the dash dash sky. तो स्काई कैसा है? Sky will be bright, beautiful and blue sky. And dash dash koel sings. And lovely little koel sings. Oh, too. Wake up. Such a wonderful word. It's a delight. Now, let's try 6. You have to create a alliterative phrase. मतलब आपको alliterations add करने हैं. Bicycle. Bicycle के लिए आपको alliterations आगे add करने हैं, तो it can be big, blue, black. तो जो भी आप alliterations add करेंगे वो किससे start होना चाहिए? B से. Dress के लिए dirty, dark, dusty. ठीक है, ड्रेस डी से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. गार्डन के लिए जो आप स्टार्ट करेंगे वो जी से होगा. ग्रीन, ग्रासी, गार्डन. रेड, रोज, लैम्प. लाइटिंग, लाइटफुल लिटिल लैम्प. बी, बिजी बी. ओके, तो फ्रेंड्स एंड प्लीज यू कैन डू बाय yourself. Answer sheet will be sent as early as possible, heading towards the practice book portion for this. Word power exercise, my turn to. It's homework. You can do by yourself. Okay, that's all in this video. Thanks for listening. Alliterations.